G'day mates. Today I'm going to show you how I turned my signature into a Photoshop brush so that I can quickly add my tag to my pieces as I finish them. I could use a scanned signature, but I'm actually going to use a font. So I need to create a new document in Photoshop, and I'm going to make it fairly big so that I can have a big signature to play with, and when I can resize it down, but I can also use it big. 1500 pixels by 1200 by 300 resolution, background white, click OK, up it pops. Go find your text tool, then go up and find the font that you want to use. I'm using Mardian Pro Regular, which is a font from Mons Grubeck. You can have it for free if you're using it for non-commercial, or it's available for sale for commercial projects. So I've typed 72, and that's not quite as big as I want because obviously I've got a nice big work document here. So I'm going to use the free transform and drag out my signature so that it fills my document quite a bit. Use the shift key to keep the same perspective. I also want to have some swirls underneath my document, and I have another text font, that came with swirls, also from Mons Grubeck. It's called Before the Rain, and he gave us some swashes to use with that. So I'm just going to type in my initials capitalized, which gives me this pretty thing. Say yes, accept, and then go find your free transform tool again. Make it down a little bit, shift it nearer to where you want it, and it's about there. That looks pretty cool to me. You can get all technical and line things up and make the pink lines all cool, or you can just say yeah, that's it. So now I've got my actual tag and then some pretty swirls underneath it to make it look a bit different. And now I simply need to go to edit, define brush preset. I can type in signature as what the name of it. It's going to be 1370 pixels wide, this brush, which is obviously from here to there. And that's all there is to it. If I create a new layer now, change my foreground background colors to white, select the brush tool, it's already there for me. So I can line it up over that, and there you go, white. Actually, that's quite a nice 3D effect. And I can use the bracket keys just like any brush and change that. I can also free transform the resulting text with the transform key and change its size, etc. You can also add layer effects. I probably should just go and fill this background space now with black, just so that you can see what I'm doing, and add your layer styles. Bevel and emboss contour, you can add satin, you can add a gradient overlay, just the same as any other brush. And that's it. Cool. Have fun doing it. Ciao now.